back at it. So yeah, back at this area now, I said I'll be getting my entry now. From where? From
The first.
from this higher low here. Same thing we did earlier on. Don't forget, same thing. Getting my entry from here, having my SL at this area because obviously price clearing out this area is an indication that the change of there's more buys. Oh, sorry, the change of structure
More
for more
sales.
buys. No, for more buys because price already cleared out this higher low, giving us a new low. So apparently we're expecting a lower high and then more sales for more lows. So seeing all of this now, I'm going to have what? My SL, my entry from here, my SL at this lower high, 90 pip SL, my entry from here. And my first point of TP, confidence, is this area here. No cap. Oh, shit. My first point of TP is going to be this area here because back to our 4-hour time frame, this same price coming back here, price apparently giving us a lower high on our 4-hour time frame. Don't forget, price giving us a lower high on our 4-hour time frame. And then we already have our indication that there's a low here. So with confidence again, still the same thing, bro. This whole move from here, this is the indication, this is the low cleared. This is low cleared. Low cleared is this area. Yes. The low cleared is this area here. Same price. With you, I already have my belief that good price will sell further from this area. From this particular area. See, not from this year, I'm getting my sales, my lower highs. The two is involved. Easy peasy. The other price sells or my SL hits. If my SL hits, I already know that price to buy further. Easy peasy. So it's not so complicated. Now I've got this entry from here. My first point of TP, obviously, will be this area. I already know this is a low. And if price is selling further to this area, price is coming to clear out this low to give me a new low. So it's full confidence of your correction, continuation of the trend. My first point of TP, don't forget this area. Second point of TP, the full trend. And this is 90 people move. And it's still the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over again. Again and again. The rules are very simple. You get the rules are very simple. Don't complicate them. Don't try to don't stress. Follow the rules. Entries are gotten from where our zones. Why selling? My SL will be where at my lower high. For everything, don't forget we're using the whole ICC concept. Indication, correction, and continuation. Indication of the move, there'll always be a correction. After the correction, what comes next? A continuation of the trend. Now, real quick, we are done with. Is there any question? Are you asking any question? Asking any question. Anyone with a question? Or can I proceed? You guys cannot hear me.
You say what? Come again.
I said, can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Yes, yes.
Uh, that's good. That's good. Let's proceed. Mr. Emmanuel, can you hear me? Are you there?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you now. I think my network was cracking before, but I can hear you now.
We just needed to make sure you are with us. So,
Yes, sir.
is there any question? Can I proceed? Now, do you have issues in terms of entries now? The rules
For
are
me, I think you can proceed.
you can proceed. Mr. Nizum, can I proceed?
Yes, you can proceed.
So still the same rules. Entries are getting from where? From your zones. While selling, my SL will be at my lower high. Don't forget indication of the move, correction, retracement, and continuation of the trend. Price clearing out my lower high means what? Change in structure. It works in this. My SL, you've gotten your SL now as a lower high. So you're actually saying price clearing out as a lower high means what? A change in what? Structure. The first point of tip will always be where the previous lower low. You get so now moving on from this. Bam. The end. Now we're talking about sales. Now we're moving on. All of this move now. Prices since sold good. After selling, after this whole lower high this year, price it what? Bought up to this area. Wait to, wait to. Okay. Cool. At this particular point, okay, price, okay, when after this whole buy, price is not clear out this area anyways. Price is not so. So don't forget, weeks are always important. People say weeks are not important. To me, weeks will always be important. Seeing this as a lower high, seeing this right here as a lower high, not this one. No. Yep. Seeing this as a lower high, what does these points mean eventually, guys? What does this point mean? Seeing this whole area as a lower high, this whole move, what does this point mean? Anyone? Someone answer, please. Let's move at speed. You cannot hear me.
I think lower high too.
This is a what? A lower high. Easy
Lower
peasy.
high.
The lower high
But it didn't
also.
break it.
It didn't break it exactly. Price failed. Price did not clear that area at all. Lower high. Price sold did what? Sold. Don't forget price sold.
It's
Clear
a
out this
lower
price.
low.
Lower low. Obviously we're expecting what? What is the next we're expecting? Another lower high.
Lower
Then
high.
price is always
It broke
what?
it.
The market is always what? Correct. Market is always what? Correct. See now, price bottom from this whole area now. Price bottom from this way, this lower high. Admit. Price bottom from this way, lower high.
Lower high.
Let me mark this out. LH. Let me actually use a different color for this. Blue. This is a what? A lower high. And with all of this move, all this buy, where did this buy stop? Stop at this point. Too. So what's that new point
Mm-hmm.
that's giving to us now, bro?
High high.
A higher high. Easy peasy. We already know these are our higher high. Let me use blue lines. Okay. Back at it. Blue lines because I'm buying. I choose to use blue line because I'm buying. It's not like most compulsory use blue lines. You only just make sure you are drawing your team perfectly. That's the important thing. Doesn't matter the color of your lines. But yeah, and what do we always say, bro? Price usually what? After it clears out, wherever it breaks out from, what does it do? It usually comes back to this
So
area. And now, in this point, man, I have to be very careful. Follow market structure accordingly. Follow market structure accordingly. In this area, yeah, from 1 hour, for my 1 hour time frame, price cleared out this point, bought up to this area, did this shit, this whole move for my 4 hours. This is a whole straight move here. And now for my 1 hour again, following carefully. Okay, price bought up, came back here, retested, bought up, give us our higher high, retested. See, see you, watch you. Now I want to catch say now. Price bought up from this candle, right? Give us our high. This area is serving as a what? What is the area serving as, bro?
higher low.
Easy peasy. A higher low. Now I'm going to put this in so we'll not confuse ourselves so much. This area is serving as a what? A higher low. Bam. I said price clearing out your higher low. What does that indicate, bro?
Sales.
Change of structure for sales.
Change structure.
For sales. So price consolidated around there, cleared, first of all, cleared around there. I think this is where market opened. This is a market opening. This is on Sunday. Exactly. This is on a Sunday market
Please,
opening.
you think if price clear our higher low is a sign of a sell.
Yes.
The structure has changed.
Structure has changed now.
If it didn't clear it, it'll be an higher high.
Okay, okay.
And this is so. I'm trying to text what's popping. What's popping? Price clearing out. Like we said earlier, I don't write this down. I've written this before for ourselves. I'm not talking, I'm not writing anything as regards. So well then obviously price clearing out our lower high, our higher low, indication for sales. Don't see this market opening usually. Usually that's why for me now. I don't trade. See, I don't trade Asian session and I don't trade towards the ending of New York session. That's always 8 p.m. because there's nothing to feast on. I only trade London and New York. So now, seeing all of this move now, price are giving indicator going to sell for that. Market bought up this area. Try to see market bought up or cleared out. See, follow suit. You see, that's why market structure is golden, bro. That's why you also have to always be on your charts. After market bought up this area, give us a lower high. This area, don't forget, this area here is serving as lower high because after the higher low, the lower high was from. And then see, when market open, market cleared out this area, bought up back, and try to find some support. I will this candle. He tried to buy up, but then failed to, and then sold. See, this is also another. This is also another what higher low around this area. Mind you, I'm marking them now. See, you don't just have to do all of this. You do, Sha, to find your perfect entries, bro. You do. Fact, you do. So now, seeing this another higher low at this point, with the knowledge of if price get out the higher low, what do you expect? Price always come out to that area, broker from myself. I'm entering my sales from this whole area. I'm shorting from this whole area, and then obviously having my SL at this point because common knowledge, if price clears out our lower high, what's coming in next? Obviously, more buys. So I'm having my I'm having my whole sales from here. Now I'm selling back where to this area. Mind you, this area is serving as a lower high. This is a high. This area is a high. After this high was cleared out, we give us a new what? Higher high. What's going on? Issues. Yup. So this is a high. Likewise here, bro. Likewise this area being another what? High. Common knowledge. When price clears out from this area, buys up. What do we say? This is called what? What is this called, bro? With our strategy, what do we call this, bro? Talk to me, guys. With our strategy, the first move is called what? Talk to me, talk to me. Nobody's saying anything. As long as you guys are not even following.
Change in structure.
Not change structure, bro. Indication.
Okay,
Price
okay,
playing out
okay,
this
okay,
high
okay.
is the indication now. After indication, what do
Yes,
you
yes, yes, yes.
correction, right?
Yes, the retractment.
After correction, what do you expect? Continuation.
Continuation. ICC.
So easy peasy. Once again, high, ICC is back in your face. After indication of what? This whole indication right here. Indication, price giving us a what? A high. What do we expect after price give us a high? A correction. The whole correction what? Taking place down here, bam. And after a correction, we're seeing Whenever price goes clears out from a high, price usually what? Buys back or sells down to that area. This is we're buying now. Price cleared out this new high, give us a new higher high. Price, most of see, let me tell you once again, 89% of the time, price usually comes back to this area and what buys us back. Now I'm talking in terms of entries now. See, with our two class, the last two previous classes we did, we spoke about Fibonacci. Do you remember my G? Fibonacci. Now, where do we say the put the first of the buy? Where it started from and then where it ended. With our Fibs, with our Fibonacci, we see price what is this area called in our Fibs, Mr. Nedu? Talk to me, talk to me.
Can't remember the name again. Sniper entry.
This is our sniper entry. Good. See, with our Fibs now, guess who got a sniper entry using our Fibonacci? Now I'm telling you in terms of entries. Oh. I'm not entering off my zone now. Oh. I'm using my Fibonacci to get my entry, and I'm getting my entry here from this whole area. But then I don't really use Fibonacci in terms of entries, bro. I've moved past this. I don't use this anymore. I'm deleting it. I get my entries off my zones. Now, easy peasy. For my sales, I'm selling down from here. Based on the fact that I see price clearing on my lower high and catching 62 pips down. I'm tipping at this area, bam, because I know the correction is done. And in any moment, we're going to continue what? The trend. Easy peasy. After seeing price do all of this, obviously price try to sell down, bought up to this area, sell down some more. At this point in time now, me, I wouldn't be trading because I'm expecting buys. And also with the confirmation again, using my Fibonacci, seeing price retest at this area, it also gives me that more assurance that I'm still on the right track. But then, mind you, I'm not in the trade. Mind you, I'm not what? I'm not in the trade. Like I said, I always get my entries off my highs. Seeing all of this happen, market continuing around here, buying up back here, selling down. Ouch. What's going to happen? I'm still chilling because obviously anything underneath here is more sales. Price still failed to go underneath here. See, it's the same thing, bro. Over and over. Price clearing what? Your higher low, more sales, indication of more sales. But price did what? Failed to. That's why I say weeks are always important. So after price failed, what did price do? Price bought up. What is this area serving us at this point in time, bro? Somebody talk to me.
Which
Talk to
area? Which area?
this area. Serving as a lower high. Because following this whole trend of sales now. This is why see,
Okay.
this is the thing. See, you need to be focused. As I always tell you, do your what, your analysis on where your higher time frame, your higher time frame. See, if your daily candle is pointing buys, no matter how your 1 minute share, 2 minutes share, at the end of that day, that daily candle, you check it out, you still buy for that. That's why it's advisable to always do your analysis on where your higher time frame, so you can have a straight opinion and perspective on the direction of the market. Easy peasy. So now, market is selling down from here. Is not what is this area serving us? My G's. From year to year, what is this area serving us? I think I've been went to
Lower low.
easy
Lower
peasy.
low.
Serving as a lower low. It's not voodoo. You understand? When you are doing, people think it's magic. Think you are special. No, you're not special. You just have knowledge. You get. You just have knowledge. You're not a magician. It's just knowledge. Easy peasy. This is a lower low. After a lower low, what do I expect? Lower high. Price gave us a lower high. And then price sold down to this area, failed to clear out our lower low. If price fails to clear out our lower low, what's that indicating, bro? Give us that vibes for what? Let's say more, let's say more what? More buys.
More
Buy.
sales.
But then the indicator is not so clear based on the fact that you actually need price. This is your 1 hour time frame. You need price to clear out this lower high to give you that major and solid confirmation that my G, I'm on the right track. No fugazi. So seeing price consolidating around there, and if you notice from this whole consolidation, these are 1 hour time frame. From this whole consolidation, price it was broke out. This area here serving as a lower high too. This is another lower high around here. Price broke out from here, cleared out this lower high here, give all this one, and then sold down. If you go to our 30 minutes to actually be more detailed on our 30s, let's see, get your entries from where solar time. Now, I'm explaining all of that move. Oh shit. I hope you see. Did we? We did. So yeah, see you. This whole sale happened down here. Lower. This area is serving as what? What is it serving as my G? A lower high. See a
Lower
lower high.
high.
Price what? After a lower, I expect a lower low. Price failed to what?
Lower.
Clear out this area. Price bottom up. And then see, price after price cleared out this area too serving as a low, another lower low. Price bottom from this here, cleared out this low. Also cleared out this one with a week. That's why I say weeks are valid because if I scroll down to my 1 minute time frame, a full body candle is here. You get a full body candle is around there on my 1 minute time frame. So weeks are valid and very, very important. See now, after price broke out from here, what high was given to us? This is a new high, right?
Yes.
It's not voodoo, bro. And I'm telling you that price usually covers where it broke out from. Now, if I'm going to enter for this buy, man, I'm longing from this whole area. Obviously, my SL is going to be here because this is a higher low. When you are buying, your SL should be placed at where your higher lows. When buying, your SLs, oh boy, what's going on? When buying, your SL should be at your where your HLs, your higher low, easy peasy. When buying, your SL should be at your higher low. Now, this is my higher low here. My SL is obviously here, 15 pips. Team price sell down to this area now. See, although the ratio is not actually given, you get this 30 minutes time from so don't stress yourself. Besides, our whole mind is not able to catch this move, but the beginning of this move is actually from here. You get me? The whole beginning of this move, this whole buy move is from here. But we are going to maybe we'll assume okay, fine. We need that clear confirmation. We're always going to enter from where our zones, and this is zone we're initially planning to enter from. So now this is a confirmation that okay, fine. On our 30 minutes time frame, I'm already seeing price giving us highs and lows. New high, higher low. See price again. What the price after price give us this higher low? Price bottom to this area, so down. All of these moves, safe. Price bottom from this whole area. After giving us this higher low, give us a new what high right around what this area. Bam. Now, obviously, when you analyze all of this, you're not going to have all of this. I have all of this on here just because of what we analyzed it previously. So yeah, just so you don't lose focus, because too many lines and stuff. Price coming around there now. Obviously, price buying and clearing out this lower high that we have here, this major lower high. Now, going back again where we came from, back to our 1 hour. Now, we see that price did this on our 30 minutes. Price buying now and then buying up to this area. Bam. I think I should take all of this off. It's quite confusing. Shit, not you. Yep. Yeah. Now, get all of this were for the sales I was analyzing. Now, okay, now taking that off too. So yeah, real quick, back at this. Seeing price do what? Buy up at this from here, giving us a new high around here. Price clearing out this lower high is giving me that indication of what, bro? Somebody talk to me, talk to me. Price clearing out a lower high.
Bye, bye,
What are we expecting
bye.
next?
Higher high.
Good. Price clearing out a lower high. We're expecting a higher high. And see, this higher high now, observe, don't get back to what you did on your higher time frame. This is a high. You expect price to come from here. So now, price has cleared out this whole area. You can equally perfectly place your fibs from here. For me, I will place my fibs. That fibs, see, the reason I'm always making reference to fibs. Fibs will always just give you, for me now, I use my fib mainly for just confirmation of my buy or whatever I'm looking at, my buy or my sell. You just give me that confirmation, okay, fine, price bottom up here. Now see, price slow down to here. to my aggressive, almost close to my aggressive entry. And then my snapper entry is even my supposed zone. Do you feel me, bro? My snapper entry is where my supposed zone. So good. With my fifth now, seeing that price has slowed down to here, going to my 30 minutes. Me, I'm back into my 30 minutes. Pa, pa. Back at my 30 minutes now, bro. See, it's the same thing over and over again. On the higher time frame, lower time, the same thing. See this move. Parts. Price bought up here. Sold down, right? Bought up to this whole area. And guess who sold down to where it broke out from? That nigga Price. And Price did what again? Coming up to work, clear out that high. So now I'm on my 30 minutes time frame. No cap. I've seen Price. Let me go to this 15. Because this whole 30 minutes is a week. Now I want to put my SL now. My entry now for the trade. Good. Perfecto. 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 This 15 minutes. Seeing this wholesale move. Seeing Price clearly buying up to this whole area. For me, I will enter this trade at this point and have my SL at this area here. Meal. Entering from here, my zone. Bam. With the old belief, after placing my fibs there and seeing my fibs a little bit accurate, that I'm still in for the buys. I'm having my SL at this area, 21 pips. Obviously, my TP at the high. And see, price now, after this whole move, good. Chill from here. See now, guess what I did though? I not enter this move the very moment price break cleared out this thing. Oh. I allowed price to buy up back to this my entry first of all before I entered, and then I'm placing my SL. Yo, I'm very confident on this trade. For this trade because price cleared out where this particular high give us a new high up here, so down again to where it broke out from, and then buying up back. Originally on my higher time frame, this it's time already. Fuck. Originally on my higher time frame, this whole area is what my high and a good point to buy from. I'm buying from here, having my SL at this particular low. I know open this one just to be safe. 20 pips, and then my TP up around this area. Do you get how I got this now? My 15 minutes time frame. Now going back to my 1 hour, I've gotten my entry. Don't forget, entries are gotten from smaller time frames. You do your analysis to have a sharper opinion on the market on your higher time frames. Now I've gotten my entry on that area, and I know with ICC, there is what indication, correction, and what's next, bro? Continuation of trend. Now, the indication happened, the correction happened from a smaller time frame, and also inputting my fields on all of this. I already know this area here. This is my 0.618 area. I failed to get my entry around there because I was not so clear about the market. Me seeing price clear my lower high up here, give me higher high, give me that confirmation that fine. Guess who has changed trend? Price. So now I'm coming back to my smaller time frame. I got my entry. I'm entering from my zones once again. I got my entry from here. And here with my smaller time frame, I was able to tell this was most likely a higher low based off my smaller time frame. Price actually bought up from this area, cleared out this high, give us a new high. And I always tell you, price usually sells back to where it broke out from. So this price coming, I'm entering from here. And with full confidence, knowing price usually cleared out this high and gave me this high. Guess who is entering from here with full confidence? My SL and extending my TP to this area. So now I know back to this whole 1 hour P. After a new high has been formed, we got what? A higher low, right? My G's. After a higher low was given to us, what did we get next? A new what? A new high. And our new high was given to us right around this area. Right around this area. Then price went up and started selling. So you see, it's the same thing. It's not hard. You just need to do the right thing, follow the same instructions, and majorly don't complicate the process. See, the market is always right, whether you like it or not. Take your entries from where your smaller time frames, and also enter from me. I enter from my zones. So I always advise enter from your zones. Your zones will give you more clearer. It just gives you just to give you more confidence. I'm buying from my high. And if I'm buying from here, where am I expecting price to go to? This area. I'm not going to enter. See, I'm not taking my entry from anywhere in between this zone and this zone. That's this high and this high. I'm entering from my zone. You get. And same thing too. For this now, same price on this area here. If I see the smaller time, when I see the smaller time frame, not if see the smaller time frame do forming lower highs and lower low. Where am I selling down to? I'm selling down to this zone here. So like it's still the same thing over and over, over and over and over. So one thing that will actually get you better is you backtesting. Is you backtesting and always looking at your chart to get you'll be see and in no time you'll be good. In no time you'll be good. You backtest, you get better. That's fast. So does anyone have like any question as regards your entries for the buys? Because it's still the same thing as the entry for the sell, but then just the reverse. Now for the sales, we entry from our lows. Now for the buys, we're entering from our highs. Is there any question, anything to ask? You need to ask question now. This is your first time I'm telling you this. You don't have to ask question. You know it already, bro. Nobody's saying that. What's happening? Guys are mute. Oh. People are mean. What you talk now? Open your mouth. Can you not hear me? Are you busy? Are you just on the call?
I can hear you. Can hear you.
So what's up now? I'm done with this explanation for entries for the highs. Are you not asking any question?
So far, I understand, and I've also been practicing something like this as well. Like I said, I
Okay.
sent you my chart, and you
Yeah, I've
saw
been
it
seeing
at
your
least.
yeah, I've been seeing your chart.
So,
So
so it just made me understand fully where to be placing the entries. So I place, like you said, if it's for
the
a
buys,
buy,
buy at your
I said the buy is
highs,
now yes, I buy at my highs. Then it's for the sell, I buy it at my
my lows,
low
my
highs.
lower lows.
Okay, lower low, yeah, lower low, yeah,
Yes.
lower low,
I buy
yes,
my lows. This same thing, buy your lows. Your lows
yeah,
comprises
lows,
of your higher lows and your lower low. Your highs
yeah,
comprises of your higher highs and your lower highs because they are
yes,
highs.
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes,
you're
yes,
selling
yes.
from your lows, you're buying from your highs. We buy from our highs,
I sell to lows. I understand.
we buy from our highs, we buy from our highs.
I will really appreciate if I can do the recording of this class. My
All right,
network has been going off and on.
I'm going to upload this on our YouTube, so my YouTube page, so be there. You feel me? It's been a while, and it's actually
Have
been.
you posted have you posted anyone recently?
No, I haven't. Oh, I swear, I'm trying to be consistent with posting and posting. Guess who is lazy as regards posting? And what we sell from our lows, we sell from our lows. So it's the same thing over and over, easy peasy. Buy from our highs, sell from our lows. So I guess everyone is clear. Are we good? Are we good? Don't worry,
Yeah,
this
I'm
is our
good.
first time talking about
Yeah,
it. So with time, we're also going to get better. Major thing you should do is back test. If you don't practice, you won't get better. That's fact. So do well to back test. Do well to let me stop.